Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will be exploring a very unique and different visual in Power BI called pie within pie, which will help you split a portion of your pie chart into a secondary pie chart, and it will make it easier to analyze and compare data. So let's get started. First, let's come here in the main, and here let me just bring this a little down. And now first we will find our custom visuals. So I'll go here to get more visuals. I will click on get more visuals. Now here I will search for pie, pie of pie chart. So I will select this. You can also see here how your chart will look like. Let's just add it. Now it has been imported. Okay. And now I'll go and add my chart. Now here you can see we have these fields to be added: categories, subcategories, and values. So in the category, we already have this data. You can see the table here of our projects. So in the category, sorry, I will add the status. In the subcategory, let's add location. Where is location? And the values will be our project. So we can add projects here, and this will be count. Now you see it has been created. Now how will another pie chart be created? So for example, if I click on done, now it is further telling me the completed ones by the location. Now let's see and go further how we can format it. So I'll go to format your visuals. In the generals, you can have force selection, you can hide small values and hide values less than the percentage. We will leave it. In the legends, we want to keep it enabled. So we have the legends here. If you want to have it stacked and top left, the position you can define here. We will leave it as it is. Circle radius. If you want to add any text, the format of the text and the title is here. So if you want to add title, you can enable it, but we will leave it. In the first pie, you can define the radius, when filtered, opacity, and these. You can add the margins. The colors for each you can define. Number labels show numbers, show as percent, numbers show as percentage. You can remove that and it will only show numbers, but we will keep it. Similarly, you can do other formatting here. The category labels, show categories, and all these. Similarly, you can modify or format the second pie in the design, margin, color, number labels, and category. And the highlight. So for example, if I go here, the color, you can change it here if you want. You want to have it blue. So this is how it's appearing. Also, the background, which color you want. It's gray. We will leave it as it is. And the animation, if you want to have the animation, and the spin duration, move duration, if we remove it, so it will be like a simple clickable chart, and this is how it will appear. You can click, you can go, you can click somewhere else. So this is how you can create your pie with pie. It is a very useful and a unique chart. We have done this for our project management and our projects, but you can use it for any highly segmented data. You can have it for example, sales across multiple regions and customers demographic or expense breakdown. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.